So Tanya, me not in a no food pantry line. Then you puss what you do over here. Me not in a no pantry line, Tanya. Me make too much, me can't go for me income tax con dash upon you. Tanya, before no claim me a clean and no claim me a PSW. After you push me here, them and say, oh, Love Sanders are this and Love Sanders are that. And you say you not rub Love Sanders, rub me. Keep it 100% rub me. Because me not look on you either. So since you come over here, me no want nobody telling me I tell you today. So since me rub Tanya over here, you don't know if you come over here, come listen either. Come here 2 hours. And you breed her up. 2 hours, 2 big blood clot cockroach. 2 hours. I mean, I hold on my mouth and blood clot talk. You understand? And you never lie your blood clot either to nobody out here either. And you never smart either. Because all when the girl them cantangerous, the only time they fight was over the little money what the big pussy man then I give away. But you come and tear me down because I hear say what me never say. You see, that's how wicked you is too. But you breed up all of them cockroach over them have so much big talk out here. But I'm not surprised because you're the big blood clot drummer roach. So move your blood clot and come from over here so too. That me want to tell you. Me not friend you rub Tanya. And me not friend them and rub you. Because the whole of are wicked. And from day one you know say I wasn't Baby Lee. And you still carry on. And the big pussy girl come bring your name to you. And instead you come in my inbox and say, Love Sanders want go on. Love Sanders want go on because you never blood clot no. So Keiko and Tanya and the whole of them are friends. And you never know because you want Keiko to come rub with you all the time. You come sidestep me. And then when you company like Love Sanders done. Love Sanders done and then you set me and move your blood clot. You want next one. But you me not look upon blood clot you. Me not look upon you. True me not look upon you. You understand? But me know from the other day you hear me call your name and you not anchor me because you say, you know what, make Love Sanders rub out blood clot big boot. But me not rub big boot, me rub blood clot you when me ready to. So you know if you answer drunk, because me not see you. So me know when you come over here and feel like say me and your friend, me and you no friend, ease up off of this bomber clot. And me want to shout it out loud. My son graduates. My son graduates. Alright? You're a big bumper, you know, see, you're idiot. Me and Rob Tanya, you come over blood clot, and you know, no shame. Move your blood clot. We want to know when you go back to England. Things change life hard. We want to know when you go back to England. Move your blood clot, you know, no shame. Me bring you down to blood clot, 0 and gravel or stone, and you still come over here. Me not hitch up over your blood clot page. Last time I say me I come blood clot rub you, and you never come move your blood clot. Make Tanya get her rubbings. Move, because we not friend you. Your blood clot 2-edged cutlass. Move your blood clot. Me not add you. In a matter. Me pussy is deep as scar to you, but it got a man and a whole man, not a jail blood clot bud. And not only that, you're gonna make a song for your mouth stink no blood clot. Let me find it. And right off your dirty blood clot. Now puss, move your blood clot. Me catch all I want, me left the page open. All I want to come, me turn off, you go suck on mama. And you are the blood clot fool. Because me a rub Tanya, you come eggs up yourself. What happened? You think me go add you make you rub Tanya? Move your blood clot. 5th column is drunk. Move. Dirty mama. You're worthless. You have the trophy for your careless blood clot mama puss. And Tanya have the blood clot 2nd band. And 2nd trophy for bomba worthless mama. Move your blood clot. 2 friend if kiss up and blood clot makeup. Add your blood clot, go add what? Go add your mom, move. Go add your blood clot denture. That's if you go add. Go and add your denture. That's if you go add. Add your which part? You like to be seen, those dirty puss. You like to be seen. When are you going back to England to see your son out of jail? When are you going back to England to go hug up your grandkids where you used to walk? You run Instagram? I know. You run Instagram, but you don't run your life, or you couldn't run your kids' life. What a shame. What a shame. So we give you a round of applause for that one. We give you a round of applause for that one. Yes, we give you the honors. But what about being a mother? You know, run things. A jail bud, you think go. Your crutches get wet for jail bud. Move your blood clots. That me want to tell you. We not friend you. We don't want you over here, so go away. I mean, now block your drunk crowd. Me stop black people. Tanya, come over here, make me rub out your blood clot without adding you too. And Tanya, must say I laugh after your nasty blood clot because you don't know nothing. You don't know how to cuss, bruv. Stay out of blood clot war. Stay out of the trench and the murky water, dirty puss. Because you're dunce and illiterate. And you think they're blood clot jail bud. So any girl with their jailbud can talk. Your crotches front get wet for jailbud. Your pussy get wet for jailbud. Your pussy jail jump for jailbud. Move your blood clots. Your mouth stink like compostable gas. Your mouth stink like a latrine and toilet. Walking human waste. That's your blood clot mouth. Alright? And I'm mad. Are you mad? With all of the lick them where you go give your blood clot. Clunk, clink, clank, 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 clink, clunk. You go give me the phone. You go give me the phone. You go give me the phone. So move your blood clots. That me want to tell you. Walking waste. You're the big woman of the waste blood clot century. Dirty woman. Walking on my shoes, dirty woman. My son graduate from college, woman. One of your son get deported and one of Uncle Brace said, poor thing, make me cry for your blood clots. Move your bumper wall. Rub you and blood clot Tanya steady. You think I only Tanya get rubbed? You get rubbed to dirty woman. Move. You think you go come over here and me go hard you? When a farm alliance, any girl rub me can blood clot friend me. Go away. That me say. So you think you go come over here come talk? Dirty woman. Big pussy woman. Go back to England. Go back to England with your deport yourself. Go back to England, we're waiting. Go back to England, we're waiting. The only silly person is fucking you. When are you going to fess up that you're deported? When are you going to fess up that you're a careless mother? When are you going to fess up that you can't help your children when it comes to family court, criminal court, or anything? When are you going to fess up? When are you going to fess up to know that you fail your children and fail in life so you think they're jailbird? Move your blood clots. That me want to tell you. Dragon, you're out here chump breath and no fire. Nothing happen for you. Go change your dirty marina. You stink no blood clots. Moly holy, move. Move, moly holy. What happened? You know, no breadfruit for roast on the gas stove today. Where is Yogo? He's not around. Yogo have relationship with his mother. You should have blood clot shame for no so your cuss and carry on. And the man gone over his mother. Abe, go away. Nasty woman. Should have stayed the fuck over there now. Fuck you do over here. May I go join alliance with you? May I go come rub wood Tanya? And you go sit down over here and laugh? No, you're not. Yes, every year I do a mental check for work. Can show you the medical paper. Every year I do a mental check for work. My job is not easy, bitch. Huh? My job is not easy, bitch. Something that you could never have. You have a cleaning job and you thief the people them cleaning products. Let's talk about that. Not even a cleaning job you can't keep. Not only that, you thief and you're so illiterate. You thief and you thief something that it was roll on and something for rub muscle. And you put it underneath your blood clot arm and it burn out your blood clot. You should have put it in your mouth and put it underneath your blood clot dead and weak pussy. Move your blood clot. All pirate, all serpent, all Delilah, rat in the way. Move your blood clots. That me want to tell you. Me alone, drunkro. Me alone, termite. Cockroach, you get stepped on long time. Cockroach, you bother long time. Cockroach, me empty you like a buckle long time pan shelf. Right now, me I kick you up like blood clot keeping up. Nasty woman. There you have so much money and a thief light. Go away your waste. Every day me not thief no more, but your thief light. In $1 million. In $1 million. Every day, you can beat and teach, and me come out and say beat and teach fucking you. Remember that. You need my help more than anybody else. Move your blood clot. So if you want to come and say sorry, your apology is not acceptable. Can't even talk. Your apology is not acceptable, bitch. Can't be my friend. Don't want to friend you. Fuck off. Don't want to friend you. Kiss my ass. Don't want you over here, son. Yam shit. Don't want you over here, son. Next, move your blood clots. So let me cry for you. You failed in life. You failed in life, and it's so sad. The big dragon only had the title of IG Mama. Only have the title of IG Mama. But you friend everybody for Rob Love Sanders and still come over here and still get rubbed again to blood clot by herself. So where's your crew? Because all of them get black and them can't help you. So what you're saying? Mad woman? Okay. But me not there with a jailbird. I got a whole man. No man now beat me, so only you will get beaten. And I scorn to your so-called matey, Tanya, and so-called your sister-in-law, the man in your house a madman. When he ready to kick up your blood clot like keeping up. I want to believe in a domestic abuse. So move your blood clot. There's a black girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la. You look like a senorita clown. Move your blood clot. Nasty woman. That me want to tell you. I don't care. Do not care. I don't care. You are a loser. Worthless woman. Worthless woman. You are worthless. You fall right into the trap. You should have just let me rub our blood clot, Tanya. You should have just let me rub blood clot red boot. Because you can't. You can't. She rub you, scrub you, rub you. You cannot. So you should have just met me rub. Exactly. And stay over this on blood clot. Listen, because the page open. Come now. Remember, say you go a married man, so you hot, you nice, you have all of the Gucci and Lucci, but you still a man mascot standing in the way, rot in the way. Move your blood clot. That me want to tell you. See? So you and Tanya, a two blood clot man mascot. Only if you shake on blood clot makeup. Only if you kiss on blood clot makeup. And two only if you go playing at the traffic. Dirty woman. Dirty dragon. Are you sent for me? So now me answer you with dirty cause. Come kiss out me, kiss out and lick out me, lick out. Dirty woman. You germs. Move your blood clot. What you think? People afraid of you? Nobody not add you. We don't want to hear you. We don't give a fuck about you germs. All right then. Nasty woman, come again. Your man mouth say your mouth stink. Come again. All right, drunk crow. So all your man say your mouth stink. And nothing stink more than false teeth. So move your blood clot. Yeah, drink out your own profit and smoke out your own profit. So don't come and talk to me. You fail in life. Your son have ankle bracelet and one deported out of your own blood clot mouth. And for your son come out, you can't even meet up with your son. Why? Because you're a felon. So me you want to come talk to? In IG clown? I mean you want to come talk to? So you thought you were going to come over here now and get a pass, you know, and get a blood clot pass. Move. Go on over there so go rub me. My shop go rub Tanya. Move. That me want to tell you. What going for her? Go and rub Tanya. Now rub over here, so, because you will get flattened over here. So what you did think? In serpent, what you did think? So fire burn pan your blood clot. Fire burn pan your crosses mama clot. Move. See? Flames and fire pan you, dragon. We don't want you over here, so. I told you bitches, I don't friend me enemy them. I told you bitches from you rub me once, you can't rub me again. Go away. So what blood clot win? I'm a woman of my word. Me stand for blood clot class. Me not take insult for invitation. So dirty blood clot dragon. So wrong blood clot turn dirty woman. Wrong blood clot stop. Because we not friend you over here, so. Alright? So kiss me ass and lick it across. Go around, so. Stay around at the back. Alright? Stay the fuck around the back. You have poor excuse of a black woman. Poor excuse of a mother. Alright? Go around, so. And stay around, so old dog. Make me chain up your blood clot. Before me ready to slam me gate and tell you, come out. Move your blood clots. Who you? Think me further, you know? Careless blood clot to them, my husband at the home. You them there camp. Who no? Sunday I'm there at work. Loud no blood clot. What do you know? Wanna think? I be nice the whole weekend, you know. And be mindful in the pussy walls. So we are chat about. So me now friend you rub Tanya. Go away. Alright? Cause remember, you know, woman. When me over YouTube and Tanya come on my face, now you knew you guys were best friends. Talk true. At one point they were paying you some money. At one point Tanya bring me video say me I cuss you. Trying to get your attention, son of me. You claim say me I try to call police upon you. And if anybody try to call police upon me, me go wonder what am I call police upon me for? How do you know you never do anything? Talk true. And you pretend and when me come over there you think say okay. Since blood clot England government, and since England mashed down, you have Los Sanders now come cuss. Never know say you don't know say me 10 step of your blood clot. I remember say before me come over there, I was told that you in an inbox, you there on WhatsApp, you there everywhere, you in a inbox and a record people. Talk true. We hear how you wicked. A long time we hear about your blood clot Puss. A long time we hear say you have 9 life. But imagine say you have 9 life and you don't got a real life. Talk true. Imagine that you one got 9 life. You one person and you know Jesus Christ. Because remember Jesus Christ couldn't even save himself. Them crucify him. And you one have 9 life you claim. And you don't have a real life. You don't have a real life. Instead of you steer out of badness. Instead of you see what happened to your children because you're neglectful and crazy. Because every year you're there at Jamaica. And you don't realize that every year you're there at Jamaica something happened to the youth them. Every year. Or every so often you go to Jamaica. And every day you talk about you're gone on vacation. You're from Jamaica. You don't have a citizenship in England. Drunk cross, you know the on vacation, you're gone to your yard. Next, move your blood clot. You go like say you go blood clot, British Columbia and then place there. You act like say you're going to these kind of places like all of these Australian places and then places where you need a proper papers. Woman, go away. You're there Jamaica, your yard. Capture land you think there. So you're still there 0. And you're there England and get everything free. Free housing, free everything. Free grocery, free everything. And you still don't have no. Look how long you take to build the blood clot shock. Look how long you take to build the shock. And not only that, you get everything free. And you're still a thief light. So can we say you're blood clot 0? So join the blood clot land with Tanya stay second. Pick a number. You're at second right now, dirty woman. Pick a blood clot number called Tanya first. Ashimi then a rub. Ashimi then a rub drunkra. So why you pitch? Dog shit, why you pitch? So these are the things we may talk about. So next time see you in your blood clot lane. Make me stay over here and rub bumbo clot Tanya. Don't come over here and get crossed and get caught in the crossfire. Don't think I was gonna add you and say, hey, Puss. Not me, dearie. Not me, pretty pal, not me. I'm not that type. Me no grocer. I was told anybody that bruise you, keep them a beer. Anybody that hurt you, keep them a beer. I did you nothing. The time when me over here, I thought me never know so your daughter have underage and breed like Tanya. I didn't know that. And you tell me that and get mad about it. I didn't know. Because all this time I hear some story about children age and baby, me never put it on practice because I know that cuscus don't bring good words. And what me always say, the people that malicious na bumbo one. But me never join that kind of clown. And what me say, you hurt because me say you know in a group and gang, but you are. And you hurt about it. And nobody can follow in your footstep. Because when you're ready, you sell out your fucking own fans and for each other. You make me sit up on your page and rub Dan and rub blood clotini. Remember that, you know? So you can be trusted. And you come over here and tell me if you done the day when I was a hot-head, sick head, no blood clot good. And quiet around the situation and by the situation and try to set me up. So you have blood clot snake, but you couldn't devour me. You couldn't. You couldn't. Me see your blood clot to come already. You couldn't. So you're up for slaughter a long time. The only thing that one will slaughter you, you can't go and market because your mouth, your meat all on tough. Rusty nail and pressure cooker can't help you. Garlic can't help you. Whether the organic or the regular Chinese one. So how dare you? And remember say you did do up your body. And you out there talk about authentic body. But authentic piece of shit. Authentic careless mama. Authentic bitter blood clot Cersei. So how comes? So don't let me feel really your marrying it right, say dirty woman. Your Cersei right. Your minty right. Your hot chocolate right. Don't let me have to read you. Your black breadfruit one and roast will look like you. So don't let me have to cuss you, bruv. Cause today was not your day. Me here say you try bring me down and me here you try to avoid me. So me say, good God, sir, let the bitch avoid me some more. Cause bitch, me not friend you. So we're gonna shout out next.